none other than Macka Diamond. Macka, move your dirty green blood. Go, Macka. You don't look like nobody else. Go, Macka, who you ramp with? You're dead. See the Macka? Macka, you that Macka, you die, bitch. You die, bitch. Macka, you know how the blood clot you ramp with. Stinking pussy, Macka, no ramp with me. Don't ramp with me. Don't ramp with blood clot me. Thinking old Macka. What you say now, Macka Diamond? It is the good girl cheesy blase. I should not have no clothes here, so. Nothing done here, so. I don't draw down this and show you no damage, bitch. 38 and feeling fucking great. What you say, Macka? Who are the ugliest browning? You lying, bitch. Ugly, run from me, move your blood clot. Me go over your video, you not make no sense. Oh, me cheesy, me a nice blood clot Jamaican. For me age, I'm keeping it real. When you born with your buy, and when money come, you buy. You no man with looks like you can't change your face, you're ugly in a blood clot. You can't call me in your ugly lane. Stay in your lane, dirty Macka Diamond. Irks, come out of my shadow. Come out of my blood clot shadow. How we are ramping, girl? Come out of my shadow. How we are ramping? You stinking old Macka Diamond. Eh? Dirty Diamond. You beg me for me not cuss trivia, me I cuss you can't tap me. You blood clot can't tap me. Dirty old. You can't tap me. You say you want to do business, and then when time stop it, how the fuck? Even if you left back a message and say, Mom, I'm busy, we understand, go suck your mother. And this you want, you say, quick, you run, go do video. Let's drink to the hardworking people. Me, good girl, cheesy blase. I entrepreneurist, a female with many jobs. Eat my arms, suck cock. Suck cock, Macka, you not go nowhere. Macka is a big breaks dry in your career, my friend. Irks. And the brakes they come with 20 million point 20 blood clot ton of steel. You can't move iron balloon. Try bust you know. Hey girl, try bust you know that even YouTuber pay your drunk cause you're not hot. Go suck your mother. How we are ramping? How we are ramping? I wish Jamaican tell us if you ramp with that Jamaican yeah. How who boots up your blood clot? Go sue supplicant cause you drink too much. How we are ramp with? Who you think you are ramp with? My bill for this from me and I acknowledge myself as a comedian. Talk to me nice because I can't blood clot area. Who you say favor? Who and what? What you say? A liar tell thinking pussy Macka Diamond. Macka Diamond your name. Cause you 8 people we are trying to look hungry. You mad? Big pussy woman, not so much money vibes cartel send come give me one go. You see, say, nothing. Not just some blood clot set and nothing cut. You coming like not the egg. You coming like not the egg, no blood clot. Nothing you not have Macka Diamond. Macka Diamond all 100. Nothing you no blood clot have. So when you are going to make the mistake now and come say she ugly. Excuse me, you're not talking to me, you're talking to yourself. Look in the mirror. Your mirror is tricking you. Big pussy Macka Diamond, your mirror a trick your blood clot. Cause your mirror tell you say your favorite Tinkerbell and your favorite Shrek, wife Fiona in a real life. Don't ramp with me, germs. Don't ramp with me hungry. When the blood clot you mean hungry, remember business around you, so you know that too, bitch. You know that, cause of that you say, let's drink to the hardworking people. Don't ramp with me, Macka. Dirty nasty Macka fucking demons. You mad how me for broke? Me have too much talent. Me sell me little bleaching cream over there, so over here, so around so. In here so too. Me sell 2 little liquor and so. 2 little cigarette. Brother, I'm of a blood clot, bro. Macka, long time me have your number from see you sell blood to real liquor. Hey, dirty Macka. Macka. You see from your blood clot cell, the fruits them, down a whole of a road, right at the MoneyGram. Remember them time when me give me number. You forgot? And you hungry was your best friend. It was me. It was you that hungry discover as your best friend. So when you got blood clot talk about your sister needed hungry, a lie tell. School children in England knows you lie that. Me know and you know. Say a lie tell. Where hungry I go? Long time I broke neck. Long time the boss helped me broke neck blood clot. So you know long me I try broke neck. Blood clot. Instead of fight with broke neck, you know. If you broke neck, you know. I mean I tell you say broke a fight me. And the boss, the general comes say, what your mama ton of steel? Broke neck, go suck your mother Macka diamond. From cartel, put the money in my hand, youth. Not with him, give me, you know. Yeah, from him, make the money reach now, my hand big up sick rhyme. No blood clot joke. And never broke again, bitch. And you know that too. What you talk about? When my party keep the day before, it was a round robin, 330 piece of chicken. Big pussy, bitch. Now the next day, you call me the 23rd. You know how much money me have them time there? Go suck your mother 19 times, dirty whore. But blood clot. Oh, hey, girl, you're wrong. And the wrongest mistake you ever did, they are finding a thief from people. You about long time you was out there, dirty Macka dead girl. Macka dead girl. Macka blood clot dead girl. Yeah? So I'm putting my friend. And mommy all shoot you know. And when me say shoot, I shoot. Me shoot Billy the Kid. You ready? Boom. You ready? Boom. A summer fire shot, my friend. What you talk about? Macka right now, I'm woman at your age. When me at your age, just see me, me go look. Because if me at 30 blood clot 8 and look so great, my God. I don't want to see when I'm 40. I don't want to see when I'm 40. Because when I'm 40, I'ma beat all of y'all bad. Because you're not going to say, oh shit, I should look like cheese. Of course, me look good for me age. Me don't need compliment from a old brenge-tenge like you. A old ornament like you can't compliment me. Because you never look good yet. In a real blood clot life. See ya, Macka. No long my part this year with ya. See ya. I saw your things them look by your head. Green and dusty and rocky and sorry. In a real life. We are talking about Macka. You never go one good blood clot makeup artist yet make them pull you and beat your face. Never. Me never see you give me no wow moment. With the wow moment. Yeah? Candy come out with the wow I never wow with yet. I never see a picture with you for 400. No shit, I'm going too much. I never see a pic with you for your 10,000 like yet for your big blue tick. You stink. I like Vanya beat you bad. Murder. Who you play with, Macka? Who you play with? Who you play with? Who you think you're playing with? Eh? Stinking whore? Macka, your pussy stink like 10 man crepe when need liquor powder in them too. You can't tell nobody about stinkness, Macka. Macka! Remember, say no man never did cross your passage. And he come like say you're storing a mug under your foot. We are ramp with Macka. Me cheesy. Liar blood clot tell. Lie you a tell. You lying bitch. It's the wrong blood clot cheese this. Clout you want, clout you shall get. And people, me ain't no joking. I don't want dollar more from them. Yeah, so I give you no money. So I know what you talk about cheese and money and what. I'm calling if you tell yourself the competition after done this week, nobody not answer me. You eat pussy like dog. You want trivia go on, you throw a pot like drunker. Move your dirty blood clot, number 725. Eat shit. Where? Oh, I couldn't kind of full up a bad mind. When you come see me in my own little zone. I take my 1 and 2. You know how much promotion me get what you mean? Me never get no promotion. What you talk about? I don't understand me. I get all the little promotion them what me can get. And a big germs like you tell me friend and say, Jesus Christ. Oh, kind of hill this we have got show this water up here because this coming like putting water up the hill. Macka, me can't try with you. Macka, you did bus already and you use your bus and the beer for your mind all these type of man. And the little young boy then eats out your money and fuck out your mouth. And run away. Run away, Peter. Run away, Paul. And none of them no return. Who you ramping with? Check your blood clot self before you wreck yourself because I wreck people. I wreck people who try to wreck me. And when me done blood clot, I guess I done me done. Right now, if I'm a diamond this, come on the live. Cause you talk too much. I've been watching these comments. Cause it not work. Can't hear nothing. So anytime the person start talking, they say she attack or him attack or what. Let me just start rub because I can't hear nothing. It not reach chat and laugh because that them want. They reach over chat and laugh. You reach over chat and laugh one time in the bus. There's a big iron balloon in the sky. The person answer. You want to argue with Macka with your blood clot false teeth, them a play Rignaram downstairs right here. So you see the bottom, you see the bottom. You see the bottom, you see the bottom. When you talk, it's shaking. Is it all them shake, all them shake? Hey, all them shake, all them shake. You see them is rattling in their head. Hung, hung, hung. You can't do that, Macka. Because the next one, they're going to fly out and drop a blood clot wrong. You need to get good teeth in your blood clot head if you want to go false. Go and implant some teeth in your head because you're a woman of age. All 100 we know about your teeth. So when you reach certain age, your teeth, they're going to drop out. Stop use blood clot plate card that now we're again. Go and get your teeth them installed. Like a blood clot. Where install again? No man, once the song, where you install again? When you install, like how you install front and there, get them installed. But the right actual name is implant. That's how we deal with things. Move your blood clot. We done so intelligent in a one. No joke. And that my blood clot. I'm not going to chat and laugh with it. Because nobody know about Macka. Macka for days stay in the dark. Don't be mentioned, dopey stay in the dark. Zubali zoo, stay in the dark. Move your blood clot, every man a fuck your blood. Cheese them think, yeah, God almighty. Eh? I don't know what of them a nice clean friend Peggy girl. I don't know what of them. Them want me wear a miracle. After them don't get them blood clot time for bus and fuck up them bus. Them want me cheese bust them but suck your mother Macka diamond. You go like say my name G-O-D. Yeah God, eh? Nyam out your mother dirty girl. One more me can do, no want 20 blood clot girl come dance to no blood clot song. And when 20 girl come dance to, when time I get 8 girl for coming at the competition and tune the song and act. Oh me I gonna know the people I use fake video. That's why I take off everything, me don't have nothing to do and that's why I rock out to the blood clot. So. Suck out to the mother. On the blood clot, yeah, dirty Macka diamond. Macka diamond when me see each up down a blood clot. All about road. Round one big style of fruits. I said, Jesus Christ. I go try to say, Macka, you say, make me do too little something. Because we not hear no gun bus boy, you my friend. No gun bus boy, you. No gun bus boy, you. Move your blood clot. Nobody hear you. A big old forward they get from me now for your call your name. Shit house. That tell me about Batty. You never did know, say. My Batty becomes a problem to you. I might be out. Me make sure when me talk, me come out and tell the crowd them say, yeah, I back and Batty now and whenever Batty I do blood clot, you know, dirty woman. Yeah, is a Batty woman. Yeah? Yeah, is a blood clot Batty woman. Me not in a Batty worries, you in a Batty worries. Right now, in a this time and age where we are living at, where you don't born with your buy. And when money reach buy still, but you have to buy. But right now, me have a man who want me in a blood clot with my flat blood clot batty. So me in a words to fix it up far. Yes, big batty girl, him attracted to big batty girl and all these things, yes. But he don't want them, he want me. With the flat batty. We flat down like pancake. It's mean set. So what you said to me, me not have no fixy fix. I'm good anyway over here, so. No longer so cocky blood clot drunk up about your ad. God put the pussy on the craziest girl them like me. And God put move on our blood clot. Someone have big body and travel with stinking mouths. Yes. Because God you know too much body. So uno little body rise go up and give a small body mouth. Me no in a blood clot whereas with a big body come suck my pussy back way. Back way. That my blood clot say. Natural, I'm not doing somebody come fans them love me. Me get more than how much people for react to a blood clot. This I know the people out there love me. Man I have to live for please blood clot. Oh no. Uno is nothing but dust. Drunk or tabat. Remember, all of us is. Are you lifting weights? What are you doing with a chest? Chest. Me have flux. I move your blood clot. Then I can do a little something. Right, that's a shade. Macka so good diamond. Macka lick out batty diamond. Little girl smell good. You come here with that nice fresh scent. You just be a... You smell good. All Macka you couldn't smell so you have blood clot for now. Can be a downtown and go pick up. $1 something. Where's the spirit so it smell good and I just walk out the door it blew out. Suck your mother. Dirty Macka diamond. Dirty Jonja T. Macka. I dare you to come and show yourself. Hey. Show yourself. Show yourself. Hey. Show yourself. Right as a show this so good. Don't blood clot ramping me. I ran me more take me and drink. Well, blood clot. Well, I'm up already for your drunk crowd. Oh, I'm going to look at your video. I come talk about me. The ugliest brownie. Macka, you too lie. Macka, the world knows. School children in England know say you're lying. Everybody and their mother in the world knows you're liar. Tell. All free. All flea market done. Leave me, Macka. Leave me alone. What's going on? I'm late. You're late? It is great that you're late because nothing's a pass. You can't be able to get black already. Because anybody come here to come talk with them never thought, it's a use here. It's a blood clot work. Oh, right now, I'm telling you this. You see, God, I'm a friend. I'm big up to the fans, them will love me. I love you too. There be a fake people out there, so you see, as you get disrespectful, me a black one. You don't want to know over here, so right over here, so me no need to know. Good over here. What is Macka doing with a false teeth as a big entertainer? Macka dead blood clot, girl. What you mean me a good girl? When me start the work, me never get paid yet. So I don't know what she come talk about how much. Oh, your sister want to suck out your mother. Go on your mouth, your big pussy mama. Macka drunk out about. Macka every discuss